Welcome everyone, this is Mark with Lean ISO Management Systems. Today, we will talk about ISO 9001 Element 7152 Measurement Traceability. If you are new to our channel, click the subscribe button to be the first to see our new videos. Also, if you stay to the end, I will show you a link to a bunch of Lean templates that will make your job much easier. Measurement traceability means that one can trace the result of any measurement to a measurement standard with known measurement uncertainty. ISO standards in industries refer to such standards as national or international. Let's start with what measuring equipment is. ISO 9000 Element 3116 defines measuring equipment as measuring instrument, software, measurement standard, reference material, auxiliary apparatus, or a combination thereof necessary to realize a measurement process. For measurement traceability, ISO 9001 standard requires that measuring equipment shall be calibrated or verified, or both, at specified intervals against measurement standards traceable to those international or national standards. Many organizations outsource calibration to companies certified to ISO IEC 17025, general requirements for the competence of testing and calibration laboratories. When standards for calibration are not available and we use our own, we have to maintain documented information as the basis for calibration or verification. The standard also requires that companies identify measuring equipment to demonstrate their status and safeguard it from adjustments, damage or deterioration that would invalidate the calibration status and subsequent measurement results. The following requirement states that the organization shall determine if the validity of previous measurement results has been adversely affected when measuring equipment is found to be unfit for its intended purpose and shall take appropriate action. Quite often auditing, I see that despite the apparent value of addressing this requirement, companies do not show sufficient investigation to evaluate the impact on previous measurements when a measuring device was found to be out of tolerance. In fact, it is straightforward. You can use your NC CAR system to document such a non-conformity and investigation. I hope you could drop me a comment to share what you use for out-of-tolerances events. Let's quickly summarize what we should keep in mind addressing measurement traceability requirements. Identify which measuring devices are subject to traceability requirements. Calibrate or verify or both against national or intranational standards at specified intervals. Document your own standard if national or international standards are not available. Identify and protect your measuring devices. Evaluate previous measurements when the equipment was found to be out of tolerance. We are making progress, folks. By now, we have covered 6 subclauses of Element 7.1. In the following video, we will move to Element 716, Organizational Knowledge. As I promised in the beginning, here is your link to our free templates. Go to the Academy page on our website and look for your free downloads. This is all for today, guys. As always, thank you for subscribing, likes, sharing, and comments. Your support helps us promote our Lean QMS project. If you wish to learn more about Lean ISO management systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. Click the link on the screen for a short overview, or go to Amazon with the link below. Thanks for joining me and stay tuned for the following videos. I hope to see you then.